And what I observed during my academics and what I felt after entering into the industry is it's okay to go to core area and focusing more on the academic side if you are going to higher studies and all. But after the graduation, if we are looking to enter into the industry, means we should have a certain skill set that which is really playing very important role in the industry. Say, for example, we are civil engineers and we are want to pursue a career in the industry after the BTech itself. Then you better to develop a skill set like in the building information modeling. First of all, to enter into this industry, we should have a skill set related to say the knowledge first and the software tool knowledge and then the process knowledge and then the domain knowledge and all. If anybody wants to pursue a career in the building information modeling, then it's better to start with our 2D AutoCAD and then 3D. We are having multiple softwares, say right from the Revit, Autodesk products we have, the Bentley products we have, and we have many Vectorworks we have, Namancheka products we have, Trimble products we have. Many products are there, and you do some sort of research from your side uh, present in the industry, which is in demand and which is popular. Then you can start working on that, and by the end of the graduation, what the companies expect, or say personally I expect from a graduate is they should be having a basic proficiency in technically, and in terms of the tool knowledge also. It's not only more technical and just oral speaking, because at the end of the day, people ask you to show the productivity. It's not like how much you studied in your graduation, but how much you implemented practically. Obviously, right, if you step into any company, then you not will be only limited to the studying the subjects and presenting them. It's more about doing the work there, implementing the work there. So it's better to start with if anybody wants to pursue a career in building information modeling, then I suggest them to start with AutoCAD, and then 3D softwares are there, and then 4D softwares also there. We have learning sites also like Autodesk Learner. We can have a student account there. We can step into that and we can enroll many courses and we can learn ourselves own, and we will be having instructors also there. We should develop a portfolio. A portfolio in the sense the practice whichever you done with related to softwares and all. Say you know AutoCAD. Say we have a winter semester, 2 months we dealt with the AutoCAD. Whatever the work you done, you better to save that. You better to make a document out of that. Then whenever you are apply and save, in the case of 3D modeling Revit also, say for student, I guess we have a student free license from 1 year to 3 years. You can install that Revit software in your PC and you can play with it. You better to start making 3D models. Say start from whatever you know, whatever the basic knowledge you have, you can. And we have learning resources in learning platforms and in YouTube also. YouTube really it means a lot and it is the biggest thing. We have many learning resources in that. You can develop your own portfolio by practicing and by making many models and drawings in that. You have to convert everything into a document like a PDF. You can attach that PDF into your resume. Done. hardly people are maintaining resume 1 page or 2 page. It's okay, and it's better to add your portfolio to the resume, right? Whenever you are applying for a company, then a HR manager or a person who is going to hire you will see your work. Then they will think, yes, this person is having already a skill set, so better to hire him. Then we don't have to train him or teach him particularly, right? It will consume more again time, the resources and all, and finance also. So being a student itself, if you equip with the skills whatever the industry is expecting, then it will be well and good, right? And that's what I felt. If anybody wants to pursue a career in building information modeling, then better to start from the theoretical knowledge, technical knowledge, and then the softwares like AutoCAD, 2D, 3D, and the Revit, and we will having 4D also. Okay, it's okay. And once you get into the industry, then you will be learning everything like this. Believe me, the moment you entered into the corporate world or any company, then automatically you will learn, obviously, because you will be working in that type of environment where everybody will be working and they will be sharing the knowledge, they will be teaching and all. It will be very easy. And what I see is in this time, people are civil, mechanical, people are migrating to another field. It's okay, it's depend upon the individual, but as I forecast is the industry, the market is so big in the construction. You can live like however you want. The thing is you have to make a difference. You have to make a difference among you people, yourself, in your society. Competition is also more. If you are having the so many skills and the knowledge, then you are going to play a very important role. Then people require you, they will pay you. Like it's a demand and supply. Whenever you are equipped with the same skills, your friend also equipped with the same skills, then there is a competition. And what if you learn more than your friend? Then obviously the opportunity going to hug you. That's your take. And in this fast-paced environment and in this industry, we are not allowed to say, "I'm a civil engineering graduate. I will do this thing only." No, it's not like that. And what I have seen in my engineering and now also from the professors is, and right, the programming languages we have, the computer programming languages, the C, the Python. Don't limit yourself to only the civil engineering boundary. They push the boundaries and learn the Python C languages also, because the future is more about the automation. And whatever the softwares you are using, this AutoCAD 2D and Revit 3D and all, they use the programming languages and they developed the platforms. It will be like that the future. And software development is a part of the civil industry. We are hiring some computer science graduates to develop a software for our organization or company. What if a civil engineer having the knowledge and the skill set of Python and the CMC, then you'll be getting paid more, right? At the time you will be considering as a civil engineer and also a computer science engineer. Done, win-win situation. The thing is, don't limit yourself. If you try to push the boundaries, then obviously you will go a long way and you will be making more out of it. And that's what I felt and I thought to share. And coming to the mini projects and major projects, and it's okay to deal with the concrete and the soil for a long time. It's okay, but it's okay to jump somewhat out from the soil and concrete and see how the automations are being done in the construction industry and how the things are getting connected in the construction industry. It's not only construction industry is not only about building a structures a facility with cement, concrete, reinforcement, and brick mortar, right? It's more than that. It's not only about the geotechnical investigation, soil, clay, and all. It's not only about the structures. There are many things which related to interdisciplinary things in the civil engineering also, in the AEC industry also. Uh, I suggest you to look into this type of aspect also. And I got influenced by the mini project and the major project guide Chaitanya sir, and the in terms of exploration and technical fest and what is happening in the industry by Vishwanath sir. We went to the Bengaluru and Amaravati SRM University to explore what is happening in the construction industry and green technologies related to the new normal construction industry. The most sophisticated technology will be showcasing there. Being a student, it is very important to explore more and more. It's okay to do a mini project, major project related to our traditional construction methods and geotechnical transportation and building materials. But I suggest you try to look into the technology sides also, because see, the buildings are not going to build; the buildings are going to manufacture. Remember it. Do you know the modular construction, the prefabrication, the precast? That is the future. Will be the new normal. Do you know the McKinsey and the Harvard Business Review and the KPMG, PwC? These sort of people will do the survey and will be publishing the result. You better to try to look into that. Then you will be imagining the future. What is happening and what will be happening. Better to connect the things. Right now I am in engineering. I am studying these subjects. I want to do this. To do this, what skill set I should have? If I have the skill set, then what is the next step? If I step into this, then what will be the opportunities I will be getting? What will be my career? You have to connect. And I believe in the compounding effect. You start doing work on one thing which is getting connected with your related things, then it will give result for sure. And that's what I felt. And I think I'm not able to see any questions here. We will take some more time. We will take some more time. Yeah, it's okay. As I mentioned already, this building information modeling, it is an emerging trend technology in the AECO industry. And people who want to pursue their career can come and pursue here. It is going to be future. And before end this, I just want to show you related to the construction industry. I mean the construction leaders. As I mentioned, 6 of civil engineers, we started the construction industry. A platform called Construction Leaders. See, this is the organization, or we can say a platform to help the civil engineering students and the professionals. This is the place where we'll be meeting with each and everybody. And I am one of the founding team member of this. You are seeing here, I am here. I generally do take care about all the blogs kind of things, and we also do conduct the webinars and all. And you should make use of each and everything. You should not leave any opportunity to grow, to increase the network. You better to have a good network, then opportunity will come for sure. And we have a blogs here, and here blogs see, I will be dealing with the building information modeling here. Like that, we have many people who deals with the structural and quality assurance and quality control people also. And here you can register. You can register for free lifetime account. Then you will be getting automatically whatever we publish and whatever the webinars we will be conducting, each and everything. And soon we will release the courses also. Each and everything will be for free. There will be no charge. And better to explore these type of platforms, organizations to make use of our career. And this is more relevant to the triple ITs. We have connections from Marke Valley, Srikakulam, Basara, and Newswood also. It's really appreciable that people, student contacted us from the institutions, and they are ready to do volunteering work and ready to learn softwares from the construction leaders platform, and they want to excel more, because this is a platform where the people are having the connections. Say right now I am working in an organization. I can connect the students to that working organizations. They can offer internships or industrial visits, kind of things. Then obviously exploration will be there. And one more thing which I want to tell you personally is marketing for ourselves. See, we are in the 21st century. I can say this 2022. You have to explore yourself. For example, we have a platform called LinkedIn, where the professionals, employers, employees, everybody will be meeting, right? You better to make use of that platform. You create your profile and you mention there, I'm a so-and-so person. I did my best of technology and civil engineering, graduated from so-and-so university, and these are the subjects what I studied, and this is the work what I did. You have to, for example, I suggest you to see my profile. I come to know about the LinkedIn in my engineering third year, and then I started using it. So that with the help of that, I got many opportunities. Among that, I chosen one, and I am here now. It's really good to have a connection in the industry. You can go through my profile. You can search my name, Naveen Kumar Nagipogu. You can find my LinkedIn profile and the structure way